or die. Hey, swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. Thin or wide, always down and ready to.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, I usually say just now arrived, but it's not true. Not just now, but today. Today arrived these old boxes. This is the case when I must buy it. And why? These are do-it-yourself boxes with Tesla speakers and Yugoslavian tweeters. These tweeters, AZSK 25.4, were bought in 80s by the Electronic Prague Hi-Fi Club Svazarm for their factory boxes type RS 334, 534, and also 434, if I remember it correctly, to replace the Czechoslovak Tesla ARV 3604 dome tweeter. And for my ears, I must say these Yugoslavian dome tweeters are a little better. Then we have here the mid-range Tesla ARZ 4604 and the bass speakers ARN 6604 203 millimeters. And I must say I love the do-it-yourself boxes because they are usually sounding better than the factory original boxes. So the speakers are the same like in Electronic Prague or like in some types of Tesla boxes, but Tesla, the factory Tesla, didn't use the Yugoslavian tweeters. They used the Czechoslovak tweeters, Tesla, but as I told before, the Yugoslavian are better. And the sound is for me really interesting. Also, I must say I don't like bass reflex, but in this case is the deep sound, I must say, very, very interesting. And why are do-it-yourself boxes sometimes better than the original? It's the construction of the enclosure of the box. It's not comparable with the factory product. This is the factory box. It's incredible heavy. I didn't put it on the weight, but it has sure at least 30 pounds a box. It's as you see, no factory box from Tesla. I mean hi-fi box. I don't say professional boxes, but by hi-fi boxes, if there is the back plate dismountable, there are never such a huge screws. They use small screws to save the money, but the material is incredible for me. So let's try them. In this video I will also only try the sound, and next video, because now it's late evening, so I will like to have a rest, so this video will not be long. I only try these boxes, but in the next long video I will dismount the speakers to watch what's inside, and for me will be also very interesting the crossover inside. So we will see it in the next video, but let's now try the sound of these boxes. And I would like also mention the grills. By the original is the textile always not in such a good condition, but this is like I must say, like new one. There is a little dust from the inside, from back side, but it looks pretty nice. So let's try them. I always receive the question regarding the music, so I can use here on YouTube only the non-copyright music, and this music is from the YouTube library only. Let's play the track number 3. I prefer the number 3 because it's dynamic. Live channel only. Right channel only. Stereo. So, dear friends, I think that it's enough for this short long video, and as it is usual, all boxes which you can see here on my YouTube channel are for sale. So these boxes are also for sale. You can find them later on my website Angelicaaudio CZ on the page hi-fi boxes, or maybe if I because the value of do-it-yourself boxes is for at first for the man who built it by himself, but for other hi-fi fans are interested at most the speakers, because to find nowadays in working condition this old Yugoslavian AZSK tweeters is rather impossible, so maybe it can be used also for spare parts. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and as I say in all of my newer videos, you can also join my channel. YouTube approved a few months ago the membership on my YouTube channel, so you can click on the join, don't worry, nothing happens, and then you can read all the conditions and then decide if you would like to join or not to join. You receive some perks, you can watch all my videos as a member first, and you can receive also some free gifts from me, totally free, some of them free shipping, European Union, some of them not free shipping, but they are bigger ones, so you must come here and take it personally, or you have to pay the shipping. So once more, thank you for watching and have a nice day.